Again, are the ladies out today? Are the ladies out today? Why you guys so quiet? Can we get a little bit of Brooklyn about the sunset to the end of the day? What day is it? I don't even know anymore. What day is it? Saturday! Yes, that's what it is. This is a Saturday song. Yes. So if y'all could just get in the mood, just take it down for a little bit. Mila, how you feeling? I'm feeling amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, Mila Machenko on vocals. Call me Grant Pierce on vocals and keyboards. That is DJ Mr. Lynn. Let's go, Lynn. Come on, it goes. Just get into the mood for a little bit. I know we outside in the middle of Bed-Stuy, and that may not be the most romantic place, but to hell with it. Brooklyn is effing romantic. My caramel mahogany phantom. We gon' do very well. Feeling for the farewell. Stay a while. We could just lay a while. See you smile better. Lean your chest on you, making my sweater. I want the rest of you pressing me head up. I need contact. Your windows reflecting me back. Later I ask where your memories at. Your face telling me that you need a taste where the Hennessy's at. Come on, lace me. Replace glasses with the tip of my tongue. I won't front, baby, lady is grown. Though connection is young. Feel us making the connection beyond. So that I, like the chick in the song, no lie, won't I? Take my time, let the bass unwind. Claymation, cut a mold, a better mind. You're sick, and I'll be the nurse and you'll be the patient. Lord, how insane could it get? I'm so high, baby. You're making me so high. I'm getting so high. You're making me so high. Said, baby, I'm so high off your love. Turn the lights off, no, turn them back on. Want you to see my backbone and my black tone. Start minimal, raise it to animal knees. Be all tangled to please me, no amateur. Here, you can light the candles placed on the mantle at romantic angles. We'll slow dance till tango and gets horizontal. I know you will over that flows with no comma. I'm high on ya, you like it, don't ya? Could survive by just biting on ya. Like the, I know, nibble just a little bit. Everything I'm thinking you're already delivering and quiver. Pleasure unheard. You ain't even done first, baby. When I done burst, baby, I'm in love thirst. You are the quencher, baby. We should be taping so you can remember. I'm just saying, you're making me so. I'm getting so.